Hey guys, what's up? I'm just back with another vlog, and yesterday I got to ride my dirt bike, my new one. Don't remember if I made a vlog of that or not. I think I did. And again, my hair's messed up. I just woke up. And last night I got to ride my dirt bike. It is awesome. We got it fixed. It's a lot faster than my, cause I have a Honda, and then my new one's a Suzuki, and the Suzuki is a lot faster than the Honda, and it's like so fast. Like if you just go with the clutch, it'll shoot out from under you. It's fast. It's powerful. Anyway, I wish I could show y'all some clips of it, but I didn't really get into that. Anyway, I'm just doing another short vlog. I don't really know what to say. My brothers were playing the Xbox. They're going to eat now. Look, y'all see us as I think, right? Let me look. I'll make sure y'all can. There we go. It goes on and on and on and on. All the way back there. See if I can get it to focus. There we go. I know it's an iPad, but... So my mom's supposed to be giving me her vlog camera soon. But it's going to be a lot harder to edit. Probably going to edit. Gonna try to put my intro in. Anyway. Well, by this time, you'll already see the intro. And I might make an outro. I don't know. Oh, here they come. I don't know. Probably not though. It's probably too much work. Probably do that on my spare time. Well, we gotta do a lot of shopping, a lot of running around to do today. But I'm also going back to my mom's, and she still has a birthday present for me from 3 days ago, I think, right? Isn't it 16th? I don't know. Anyways, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And peace out.